The names of the companies that we will be discussing today are Boeing Inc., Macy's Inc., Vail Resorts Inc., the Canopy Growth Company, and IQIYI. Boeing and Macy's are both on the S&P 500, while Boeing is also part of the 30 Dow Jones Index. Now, did these investments perform well or did not perform well? Well, for Boeing, there was a steady increase and decrease over the past 3 months, but specifically, Boeing was among this S&P 500's biggest fallers on Monday, October 21st. The stock experienced a 3.76% decline to $331.06, with 15.48 million shares changing hands. The Boeing company started at an opening price of $332.89, hit a high of $334 and a low of $324. Ultimately, the stock took a hit and finished the day at $12.94 per share. It was revealed that Boeing employees had real concerns about a certain pitch system during the flight testing, as long ago as 2016. Boeing had failed to reveal these findings to the FAA until very soon. The FAA is in a difficult position as it has tried to give Boeing the benefit of the doubt. This lack of transparency on Boeing's part increases their existential risk to the company, in which the FAA will also be forced to investigate. These problems within the Boeing company were most likely the cause of the drop in the stock price. As well, Jason and I also invested in Macy's Inc. The stock itself has performed relatively well and remained stable, except for a significant drop on October 2nd. Now, another one of our investments, the Vail Resorts Inc., had a steady increase and decrease, except for a drop on October 2nd as well. Since both Vail and Macy's had a significant decrease on this date, this suggests that there was a market-wide drop across many companies. Another company that we invested in was the Canopy Growth Company, a marijuana industry based out of Canada. The stock has been steadily decreasing over the past 2 months and has not been one of our best stocks. As well, there was a significant drop on November 18th. Supply issues stemming from Health Canada in select provinces have encouraged illicit production and created a supply bottleneck for growers, resulting in a number of unmistakably bad earning reports. Lastly is IQIYI. This stock has been fluctuating at an unstable rate, including specific drops on October 2nd and October 9. Shares of IQIYI, the Chinese video streamer, were getting dumped last month on a broader sell-off in Chinese stocks after the trade war flared up again at the end of the month. Well, what was our overall investment strategy? Well, it's simple. We would check back every day to see how our stocks were performing on MarketWatch.com. As well, we kept a close eye on our investments and waited for the right time to buy and sell, and made sure we weren't rash with our decisions. I have to say that we really enjoyed this game and how it has taught us to be reasonable and responsible with our money, while also paying attention to the real-life stock market. Once the game began, a couple months ago, Jason and I had been doing very well. As a matter of fact, I had remained in the top 5 position for a very long time, until a couple of weeks ago, when a lot of my stocks were not performing well. As of right now, we're currently in the top 20, but we hope by the end of the week we're able to gain a higher standing.
Although I don't believe that we'll invest in any of these companies on our own, with our own money, someday maybe we'll invest in some of the other mutual funds, such as the S&P 500 or Dow Jones.